Gold in the earlier trades today has achieved a record levels at 2148 and have retraced. This is what I was worried about in my weekly review. I have very clearly mentioned that it may scale up to the highs as there was a bullish closing towards the end of the week. It can continue the bullish momentum. And now it has erased most of the gains have come towards 2085 levels. So now what to expect from gold today? Can we expect it to yield a massive drop towards the 20 period, or is it going to stay the bullish zone and it is going to rise again? Which position you should take trading gold today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Do join my free telegram channel for more latest updates. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See too much of divergence here. Now, certainly the base is here at 2035, 2050 zone. We have discussed why it is going to remain a greater support. And this is where we should look forward to. Gold is only to be treated bearish if it stays below 2035 for this week. Else, it is going to remain in the buy zone. Now, what has happened? It has formed the base at 2070 levels, have seen a stronger rise and erased most of the gains. If you look at the hourly charts closely, you will find higher lows, higher highs here. Thus, we have to wait for it to break below 2082 levels. Below 2082 is where little more bearishness can take it till towards 2075 and 2070 levels. Now you see the 20 period moving average is stabilized here at 2070, and this increases the chance for gold to show a pullback towards 2070. But remember, it is not showing any signs, and the bullishness what we have seen, looking at that, it becomes difficult for it to break below 2070. Now also, if you connect the lows here for the hourly charts, you will find 2082, 2078 is the zone where we should look forward to as a major support levels, and below that only further bearishness to be seen. Stochastic has dropped to oversold. Look at MACD. This was trading with extreme divergence, and it is now looking forward to converge. If you look at MACD, how high it is scaled towards to plus 15 levels here, and trading with too much of divergence calls for the moving averages to converge a bit. It means a fewer red candles can be expected. What has happened here can get replicated, and it could try to trade with little bearishness. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, coming to two. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, certainly, as I said, 2078, 2080 zone, 82 zone is what you should look forward to as a major support levels, and then 2070. It is to be treated bearish. If you see gold is staying below 2070, just stay bearish. We are going to look forward to 2060 and below level. Yes, it is probable that it can erase all the gains, but right now it is not showing any signs. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. You can see the candle size is diminishing. Certainly suggests that the bullishness is getting diminished. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts here, yes, this is a zone we should watch out for. Below that, it can show a massive pull on the downside. Yes, it can break below 2070 levels as well and move towards 2060. So yes, 2078, 2082 zone you should watch out for, and then 2070. If these two levels are taken, you can treat this as bearish, else it can bounce back again and it can stay bullish. Right now it is not showing any signs of reversal, but everything which shows a rise has to come back a little. Even if it has to stay bullish, it has to retrace. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trading with extreme divergence, looking to converge. Look at the candle size diminishing here. RSI was overbought. It has also come out of the overbought zone. On the 4 hour charts, if you look, likewise on the 4 hour charts, massive rise. It has erased most of the gains, and it is still staying in the bullish zone. Yes, it has to break below 2078 82 zone for further confirmation of a drop, and then below that you can expect it to drop further. See, too much of divergence of price from the moving averages calls for it to converge, but it is right now waiting for the moving average to climb up slowly and then achieve the levels. Stochastic was overbought. It has cooled a bit. MACD is still divergent. It is still bullish, and it is scaled to the highs. Too much of divergence again. RSI is also overbought. It has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, enroll in my 28th mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. And yes, we have started a weekly webinar series every Sunday. We discussed yesterday. We discussed in our review when somebody has questioned that whether gold can come back to 1960 levels. I had very clearly mentioned that right now it's bullish and it can break below 20 beyond 2100 from where it would try to retrace. So yes, achieving the highs, it has started to retrace. So this is what we discuss in the webinar. We take up your live questions. So do enroll. All the details related to the mentorship batch and the webinar is available on my platform forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer. Here are the details for the batch, for the webinar. You will find the top stories from across the globe. Also, you will find the economic calendar. Most of you have asked where you can get the data releases from across the globe which can affect markets. You can also search for the favorite instruments, do the charting, do the analysis, and if you need any consultation or guidance, you can schedule a call with me. Most important, yes, this is the discussion forum where you can initiate a discussion. So do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com and make the most out. Also, do join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Now, coming to the daily charts. Now, look at the daily charts. See, this is the week beginning candle, and it has shown an extreme rise, achieving 2148, and now it is retracing. Now, see, the base here after a couple of retracement candles, it is formed at around 2030 levels, 2035 levels. With that as base, couple of bullish candles, and it is now willing to erase most of the gains here. Yes, it can go in red as well, it can drop below 2070 as well, but there are critical support levels which it needs to break past by. Most importantly, I will look forward to 2078, 2082 zone. Then I will look forward to 2070. Now, only bearishness in gold is seen if you see it is staying below 2070. Yes, if the prices stays below 2070, you can say that the bears will take over, and then I will look forward to 2060, 2050, 2035. Chances for it to drop towards 2035 levels are less today, but yes, if it closes in red today, probably in couple of days we can see it erasing most of the gains. Also, now look at what has happened here. See, a beautiful curve is formed, and it has to come out of this, and this is going to be sharp enough for it to take towards 20 period moving average. 20 period moving average right now sitting at around 2020 levels. Too much of divergence certainly calls for it to converge, but it is right now not showing any signs of bearishness. Now, where to buy if it goes on a buying level? I'll tell you soon. See, the stochastic was overbought. It is now looking down. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and it has started to converge. See, these are the highs from where the MACD has reversed on the recent past. This is the double top levels, and certainly this calls for little retracement. Yes, prices must retrace from current levels. I do not see it making more highs, but these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. RSI was overbought, it has cooled down. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 2094 levels. At 2094, we can look forward to further rise above 2100 levels. 2100 is the first target. 2108 is the next, and above 2108 it is directly going to look forward to 2120 and plus levels. Yes, if it stays beyond 2094, certainly the bulls will try to take over and bullishness may prevail. On the downside, one can sell here at 2084 or 83 zone, but with a caution note that 2078 82 needs to be taken. Below 78 it is 74, and then 72 steps you can create. 78, 74, 70. Once it drops below 70, we can see a major slides towards 2060, 2050, and 2035. Only bearishness in gold today is below 20 70 levels. As long as 2070 is respected, we have to be careful. On the upside, beyond 2102 is where the bulls will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Watch the next update before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel and webinar series, and visit the platform forexfunda.com or join my free Telegram channel. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.